Hello, it is day 3 in Bohook, Mongolia. We are at the orphanage. As you can see on the back, this is behind the orphanage. Okay, so behind these walls over there, yep, that is where the orphanage is located. That is where we've been staying for the past 3 days, and that's where we'll be staying for the next 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, so we've just walked about 200 meters outside the orphanage, and this is where our toilet is located. Come and have a look inside. It's smack right in the middle of nowhere. Okay. It's very basic. It's got very basic what do you call it? Basic. Yeah, it's just very basic. Okay. So what you do is you just squat there, or whatever you want to do. Squat. Just make sure you don't fall into the hole. Okay, and you do your business. Okay. I just.
Oh, please.
Yeah.
As you can see, the flies is around.
It's full of flies, and there are holes in between the walls as well. So when you wanna get someone, when you wanna do your business, I think you should get someone to help you, partner you. So I just did my big business this morning. It's my first time here in 3 days. It wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. It was actually much better than initially when we came. They told us to dig a hole for the guys. So we went up there, try to dig a hole. Okay, it's my first time. I've never dug a hole before to do my big business. So this is much better, okay, rather than in the open. I'm waiting for Abdullah to actually pass motion in the middle of the night. Okay, at night it's really cold. It's about, according to them, it's about 5 to 7 degrees. We're having a tough time here. Okay, but today is much better. The sun is out. It feels much like Singapore. It's about 3 PM Singapore time. It is much better. So now I got my water ready. I'm about to do some. So we're having a break now. We will be going sightseeing later to the countryside. We have to walk about 4 kilometers. We'll be going to the river, Bohook River. So we'll do some more recording later. See you.